Hello and welcome to our PKD community. My name is Jessianna Saville and I am the founder of the Kidney Nutrition Institute, and I'm really excited to welcome you into our community. Now, this has been built off of working with many people with PKD. We felt like it was so different from chronic kidney disease. We wanted them to have their own space with their own resources that are specific to the goals of polycystic kidney disease. So let me give you a quick tour of what's in the community so you can get the most value out of your experience here. We hope it's really positive. We love getting feedback. This has really been a work of heart, and we want it to be able to benefit as many people as possible. So a couple things to know about our community. Number one, every month we have our live nutrition classes. These will be recorded, but this is something that you can be able to participate in. It's a chance to answer questions. We start with a quick 15 to 20 minute class on something that's particular to you. Now, every once in a while, the topics will they'll intersect with our chronic kidney disease community, and so we combine the classes, but for the most part, these are built just for you. Now, down here, we have our live support groups. Now, what we found as we have been working with people in the polycystic kidney disease space is that they have felt very isolated in their diagnosis. Some people have never talked about it with anyone. Some people are, they don't know what's going to happen. They don't know what other people's experiences are. And so they just have stayed isolated in this little world. This is a chance for you to come out, if it's helpful for you, and talk with other people, talk about your experience with polycystic kidney disease, be able to get new ideas, find support and encouragement. Myself or a mindset mentor, Nicole, will be there to help mediate these support groups. And this would be something that you can absolutely gain a lot of strength from. If people are where you draw strength from, the support groups are for you. These are not recorded because oftentimes this is where people show personal experiences, personal stories, but we have both an evening and an afternoon support group, hopefully to facilitate as many people as possible. And as our community grows, we hope to be able to expand this. Now, down here is our learning library. Now, the learning library has some of our best resources in it. These are resources that we developed for the Renew program, which is the group program we run through our nonprofit, and that we share with them. These resources have, a lot of them are based on keto, but even if you're not doing keto, you can still utilize them. Being able to cut back your carbs and maybe increase the good healthy fat, and definitely increase the low oxalate vegetables in your diet is so powerful. The grocery list in of itself is one of our most popular, most utilized resources. As dietitians, we refer to it all the time. Down here, we have seasonal meal plans, and I'm in a builder. Down here, we have our seasonal meal plans. These are released every March, June, September, and November for you to have some spring, summer, fall, and winter/holiday recipes. The old meal plans are not gone. They're just left in here, but we'll keep adding new ones so you can get some ideas. These are built on 2 different calorie and 2 different carbohydrate loads. If you want to get more personalized care or more personalized support for yourself, you can work with one of our dietitians, but these are some of our real basic meal plans for you to work from. Now, the recipes down here have been filed out by different types of meal types. Every season, we will update with new recipes. So when the new meal plans come out, we'll also update with new recipes, and the old recipes will get put in their respective places. So you can always have new items coming your way, new items to try, get some ideas on different ingredients. Can be a really great place for you to try some foods, bring it into the support group, bring it into our Q&A. You can ask us questions about any of them, but really awesome. The other thing is we have some of our extra perks, access to our Chronometer Gold account, which allows you to get a lot of the extra tracking, and then also a place for you to order some high quality supplements. If you want to work with one of our PKD nutrition specialists, you can schedule down here. But that's all for our membership. We look forward to meeting you and hope that you'll find lots of value. That's it for now. Bye-bye.